Welcome back. Today we are looking at the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum Review High-Quality iRobot Roomba J9 Robot Vacuum Analysis. Robot vacuums have evolved dramatically over the last decade, but not every model is built with the same attention to mechanical durability. The iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum Mop Certified Refurbished stands out because it combines intelligent navigation, vacuuming, and mopping with a mechanical design that prioritizes longevity. Check the video description for the updated price link. While many buyers focus on software features and cleaning power, experienced users know that the true measure of a robot vacuum lies in the quality of its bearings, wheel assemblies, brush mechanisms, and moving components. Although this refurbished model belongs to a product family often compared with the premium iRobot Roomba J9 robot vacuum, it delivers many of the advanced cleaning capabilities consumers expect from modern robotic floor care systems. The engineering behind its wheel motors, dual rubber brushes, obstacle avoidance system, and self-emptying dock demonstrates why iRobot continues to remain a leader in robotic cleaning technology. For homeowners looking for a dependable cleaning solution that balances smart features with robust mechanical construction, this Roomba Combo model deserves serious consideration. Whether you have hardwood floors, tile, laminate, low-pile carpets, or a combination of surfaces, the machine's carefully engineered moving parts contribute significantly to its overall performance and reliability. One of the biggest concerns when investing in a robot vacuum is long-term durability. Many robotic cleaners perform well during their first few months, but gradually suffer from wheel degradation, brush wear, noisy motors, or reduced maneuverability. These issues often stem from lower-grade bearings, inadequate component tolerances, and less sophisticated drive systems. The Roomba Combo J7 approaches the challenge differently. Its design emphasizes smooth rotational movement across all major mechanical systems. From the wheel modules to the brush assemblies, every moving part is engineered to reduce friction and maintain consistent operation over thousands of cleaning cycles. High-grade bearings play an important role here. Bearings are responsible for allowing rotating components to move efficiently while minimizing wear. Better bearings help preserve motor performance, reduce energy consumption, lower operational noise, and extend the lifespan of critical systems. In a robot vacuum that may travel several miles around your home every month, bearing quality becomes a significant factor. The certified refurbished status further increases value. Buyers receive a professionally restored unit that undergoes inspection and testing, while often costing substantially less than purchasing a brand-new premium robot vacuum. The self-emptying station dramatically reduces maintenance requirements. Instead of manually emptying the dust bin after every cleaning session, the robot transfers debris into a larger collection bag located inside the clean base dock. This feature makes ownership significantly more convenient, especially for busy households. The Combo J7 intelligently switches between vacuuming and mopping. One of its most innovative features is the retractable mop design. When carpets are detected, the mop automatically lifts to avoid unwanted moisture exposure. This mechanical movement relies on durable hinges, precision pivots, and smooth operating components designed for repeated deployment. The wheel assemblies utilize robust drive motors and carefully engineered support components. Quality bearings inside the drive mechanisms help maintain smooth operation while reducing resistance. This allows the robot to navigate thresholds, furniture legs, and varying floor textures efficiently. Unlike traditional bristle brushes, the dual rubber brush system resists tangling while maintaining excellent debris pickup performance. The rotating brush assemblies benefit from durable support structures and reliable rotational mechanics that contribute to long-term performance. Check the link in the description to get yours today.